Get out of your box! What are you doing? Show us what's in your box.
I was just about to put this on, the Pelagic strap. We're using this leader at the moment, just a shock leader by Sunline, and these are the lures. I've got it's a So Run Minnow. I haven't really hooked up on it yet. It looks alright, but haven't had anything. Always have one of these in the box, Spaniard Raider.
You got that back to front?
Yeah, back to front. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I kind of put it back to front because the big head's here and the little's here, so it kind of resembles more like a fish. Whereas it's not as good casting, but it's still a heavy thing, so it casts really well. People normally have it like this, so the heavy end's at the back and it just flings out. But I reckon it swims a bit better like that as well, so that's why that's like that. We've got the trusty old Halco rooster popper, red and white. This is a new one I bought from Strike Pro, another surface lure. It's not much of a pop on it, but it seems to hold in the water really well. I don't mind it. No idea what the name is. It's not very heavy, but it casts really well, just because of the shape, I guess, and it goes straight, doesn't spin or anything. Boom. Another SXR. My most expensive lure in this box. It's a Nomad Barbara 50. Put the singles on it again. I haven't hooked anything on this one. I bought one of these a while ago before a trip to up north, a remote island, and got smoked straight away. Bought this one. They changed the design of it. The other one was a bit more triangular. I think it was maybe a bit better swimming as well, but this is still good. Looks really good.